Welcome back to this Saturday. I just made a video on commodities, so if you're also interested in commodities and not only crypto, please go and watch that video as well. In this video, we will cover a few altcoins since I think they look very strong and just give you an update on the crypto market. So let's go and do that right away. Maybe I should start this video by saying that if you're not following me on Twitter, please do. I am just a few followers away from 3,000 followers over there, which I want to thank you all for. But yeah, please give me a follow if you're not following me already, and please subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss more updates. But let's dive into the crypto charts. This is not crypto. Let's start with Bitcoin, the biggest one. I covered this briefly in the commodities video as well, but since the last video, I thought we would actually fulfill this RS flip and that the previous resistance would hold as support. Then we would come down and test it. We did. And right now I expect continuation to the upside, and I will go bearish if we close below 44.5. If not, I am still leaning to the upside and awaiting this technical target at the golden pocket. So yeah, Bitcoin I am still bullish on. You can see the RS flip on RSI as well. So yeah. Now let's look at some strong altcoins. Altcoins have been doing very good. So let's look at Ethereum. The ETH chart obviously also successfully retested and is continuing higher. Yeah, there is my drawings. So I'm expecting basically the same thing right here. I think it was a very strong sign that we took out the 3245 level. So yeah, Ethereum very, very strong, not much else to say. Solana has been doing extremely well since we started covering it at 90 something, and I told you that if we took out the 100 level, I would get extremely bullish on Solana, and yeah, basically look what's happened since. I think we were around here when we did a video and said it was very promising, but that I expected it to come up and test the 100, and if that level was passed, I was very, very bullish. And since then we are now up a mere 50%. And yeah, I'm I'm looking for this one to come up now and test at least, let's say, the 150. So Solana looking very, very strong. This was actually stronger than I anticipated. Let's look at the fib level right here. Let's take it from, it's very hard doing the analysis during the recording when it's lagging, but let's give it a try. So we're at the 0.5 fib right now, and the golden pocket is coinciding quite well with the 150. It's above, however, close enough is close enough. So yeah, very, very strong. And now let's look at my, oh damn, it was an hour ago since I looked at this chart last time, Moonriver, and it's now continued. Okay, holy hell. It's big brother, Moonriver's big brother. It's in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's Moonbeam, and Moonbeam is up a modest 60% on the day. So let's start with Moonbeam. I think it deserves it. Fucking hell. Look at this candle. Look at this chart to begin with. What the fuck is this? It's insane. Sorry. But how can you not? How can you not get excited in the crypto market? It's fucking insane. It's all day, every day, 365 days a year, non-stop, 24/7. And yeah, I'm pissed during the weekends since the markets are always closed. However, I get to satisfy myself with the crypto market, and it's like nothing else. Oh my god! I started in crypto and trading crypto in but yeah, got interested in 2016, but got involved in 2017, and since then it's hard not to follow that market and be involved in it. But yeah, look at this, it's insane. I'm expecting the 680 level. Not today, then tomorrow or the next day. It looks very, very strong. Yeah, obviously though, it's a long way to the all-time high. But now let's look at my Moonriver and Mover. I have talked about this so much, and I'm so bullish on this fundamentally. So this was never a trade for me, it's just an investment. But I actually, this sounds very strange for those who are not involved or have been involved in crypto for a long time, that you can be at the $85, $86 level and talk about reaching all-time high again. That's at 500. But believe me, it's in crypto everything is possible, and I think this is so strong that we've had this falling wedge going for a very long time, almost since the beginning. We've had inflation, strong inflation in the token, but it will diminish significantly in May. That's coming up. We have technically broken this important trend line. We took out the $72, $73 level, which was very important as well. And right now we're just working our way upwards, and looks technically like we are starting this reversal for real. So yeah, I'm expecting the 100 level to be tested very shortly, and if that level is passed, I mean, it's looking very, very good. At least promising to be able to set up for the higher part of this range and the previous all-time high. If you look at the weekly chart, it's also this falling wedge is very, very easy to picture. But like a wise man once said, it's not the perfect formation and chart pattern that is important, it's the psychology behind it. But yeah, this looks of course very good. I think the 2-day chart is also quite clear. Yeah, not much to say. I like this. It's looking very strong right now, and since we've started talking, we've gone from up, I think, 15% to almost 20% right now, so it's pumping as we speak. Yeah, and I'm obviously heavily invested in this one, so it's of course also biased, and why I can see money in front of my eyes when it's pumping 20% on the day, on a Saturday. Good Saturday. And you're supposed not to be emotional, right? All right, let's move on. Yeah, we can update on the Telcoin, and it's still very funny that we are up basically 50% since I told people to get into this trade. I got 0 likes on that tweet. Absolutely no exposure whatsoever, and there's still no reason to get out of this one. It's lagging right now. You can see how much the market is moving, and it's basically up only 1%. So if it continues to the upside, which I expect, this one will of course start to pick up its next leg again. So yeah, VRA we covered also in one video, I think. Oh yeah, we will not forget Luna after this one. It's basically crushing everything and everyone. and including myself for not having it in my long-term bag, although I gave you the trade. So if you're in that one, you are very happy right now still. And yeah, VRA, I told you it was one to get in if we closed above this level, or get out if we closed below this, or go short. And obviously we broke to the upside. Let's look at, just to mention, this level I think is quite important. We have the EMA coming in right here. We have these two levels to look out for. But there's no reason right now to expect that we won't break those levels. Let's just look at Moonriver again. Now it's up 21%. I mean, come on, what the fuck? Sorry, I will not cover this more right now. Let's look at Luna. Because this one is like no other token right now. We are like, we've had these rough market conditions lately, and Luna is just giving everyone the finger and heading straight into price discovery. And it's a cryptocurrency. So just because many have been of the opinion that markets have been risk off and whatnot, and that cryptocurrencies are always going to zero, they're too volatile, they're shit, if there's a war everything will go to zero. Look at Luna, it's breaking all-time high. So yeah, and in this ascending triangle I basically gave you this trade and said that Luna is lagging. We had many other tokens that had already right now Moonriver is up 23%. Goddamn, almost 24%. But yeah, I told you that this one was lagging, and it's in a very clear ascending triangle, and that if we broke it, it would continue up, and it did. And why I gave you this trade, I basically gave you free money in this case, because it was lagging, it had a great formation, it's a strong token. Why will it not have an effect and have a greater chance of continuing to the upside? If everything else is already continuing to the upside, it was just obvious that it was lagging behind. And it gave me a stronger case for why this ascending triangle would break to the upside. And since it was so squeezed right here, it offered up a great risk reward to know where you would have your thesis invalidated. But yeah, okay, now Moonriver is up 27%. Come on. We started this with 15-16% up just 10 minutes ago. Right now we're up 27%. This is why I love the crypto market, and it's a Saturday. So when every other market is closed, we are sitting here excited. Also tragically lonely in our living room. However, what the fuck. This was the crypto update on this Saturday. I think this will be it. And like I said, if you're interested in commodities as well, go and watch the other video I made today. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and please leave comments down below if you enjoyed or appreciated this video. And yeah, I will see you very shortly. And yeah, take care and have a good Saturday and weekend.